In front of me is LG K62 Plus, and let me show you how to change SIM pin on this phone. So first of all, just reach the settings, then find and select lock screen and security. And here you will notice set up SIM card lock, smoothly mark it. And as you can see, we've got a SIM card lock. If you want to change it, just use the second tab, which is change SIM pin. And at first you need to enter the current one, tap on OK, and then provide a new one. Tap on OK, and then re-enter this new one to confirm. Click on OK, and that's it. As you can see, SIM pin has been changed. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.